Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the Civics, Chapter 5, the Judiciary of Class 8. The judiciary is the organ of the government responsible for the interpretation of law and its implementation. It is also responsible for setting dispute and bringing offender to justice. The judiciary is independent of executive and legislature. Our constitution has established a single integrated judicial system for the whole country. This means that there are different levels of court that function in a hierarchy of authority. At the top of the hierarchy is the Supreme Court, followed by High Court at state level. Below the High Court are the subordinate court at district level and local level. Decision made by the lower court can be appealed against in high court. This ensures that even if justice is denied by one court, it may be served by another. The Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest court of law in India and final interpreter of our constitution. The Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. Composition. The Supreme Court consists of the Chief Justice and not more than 30 other judges appointed by the President of India. Eligibility. In order to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court, a person must be citizen of India and any of the following: a judge of High Court for at least 5 years, an advocate of High Court for at least 10 years, a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. Term. Supreme Court judges retire upon attaining the age of 65. A judge of the Supreme Court can only be removed through the process of impeachment for proven misbehavior or incapacity. Jurisdiction and power of Supreme Court. Jurisdiction refers to the power of a court of law to enforce laws or carry out legal judgment. Supreme Court has three types of jurisdiction. Original jurisdiction refer to the power of the Supreme Court to hear a dispute as and when it arises for the first time. The Supreme Court exercise original jurisdiction in the following cases: a dispute between the Government of India and one or more state, a dispute between the Court of India, the Government of India and one or more state on one side and one or more state or states on the other side, a dispute between two states. Writ. The Supreme Court also has the power to issue writ or formal command for the enforcement of the fundamental right. Public interest litigation (PIL). Citizen can directly approach the Supreme Court with a matter that they believe is of importance of the public. This is done by submitting a writ petition or public interest litigation to the Supreme Court addressed to the Chief Justice of India. Appellate jurisdiction. Empower the Supreme Court to hear appeal against any judgment or decree passed by a high court in civil or criminal cases. The Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal in the country. Advisory jurisdiction. Supreme Court enjoy advisory jurisdiction which empower it to provide advice to the President of India on constitutional matter when asked to do so. Judicial review. The Supreme Court has the power to determine the constitutional validity of law passed by the union or state. It can declare a law null and void if it is incomplete with the constitution. Court of Record. The Supreme Court maintains a record of its act and proceeding which can be referred to for the future cases and proceeding.